Hi guys, welcome to CutShots. Today I am going to give some maintenance tips for bullet. Let's see one by one.
Drop it.
The first tip is don't use power start in the morning when you first start the bullet. Use always the kickstart. Why I am saying this? Let me show you the steps how to do it. Press the clutch lever more than 5 to 10 times so that oil runs over to the clutch plates, such that when you put the first gear, it's so soft and doesn't go for a sudden front movement. Keep your ignition key and engine kill switch off and do empty kick more than 5 times.
As we do in empty kick, oil will circulate inside the engine chamber. Before kickstarting your bullet, ammeter should point at center.
Now switch on the ignition key button and kickstart your bullet in a single kick. And keep idle for some time so that engine gets to heat up from cold.
Drop it.
And the next tip is air pressure. Weekly once you have to check the air pressure for both the tires. Usually I check for front tire as 25 psi and rear 35 psi.
Drop it.
The next tip is cleaning your bullet. I'm using 3 cloths to clean my bullet. This microfiber cloth. I'm using this to clean the painted surface so that oil or grease from the other part doesn't affect over the painted surface. The other cloth for the chrome surface alone, it is cotton cloth. The last cloth to clean up the oil and grease in the engine and tire rims, chain sprockets, etc. Every 3 months I used to do wax polishing. I will post how to do wax polishing in upcoming videos.
Drop it.
Fourth tip is lubing your bullet chain. Every 500 kilometers we have to clean and lube the chain. The video already posted in my channel. Please check the link in the suggestion card at the top.
Drop it.
Fifth tip is checking the air filter. We have to check the air filter regularly. As we are using the bullet, the air filter becomes clogged with dust. So we have to clean the air filter regular time interval. As we are doing this, it gives good mileage to your bullet and good performance, engine performance.
Drop it.
Finally, I'm maintaining an Excel sheet from the day one to note the things like when I fill the petrol, when it gets reserved, when I done the service, when I lube the chain, etc. This is the Excel sheet through which we can easily trace the history of our bullet performance, mileage, and sort out the issues immediately if any.
Thank you for watching. Hope the given tips will help you to maintain your bullet clean and perfect. If you like this video, please share to your friends and do subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.